You ever get that vertigo vibe where the room's spinning like you're on a bad carnival ride? Or feeling dizzy like you just did 10 spins? Today, we're diving into VertiAid, a chewable supplement that's claiming it might help with vertigo and balance by loving up your inner ear. Is it legit or straight up cap? Let's chop it up in this VertiAid review for all my dizzy peeps. Smash that like, sub up, and let's get it. First, don't fall for VertiAid listings on Amazon, cause they're straight up fake. The real VertiAid is only sold on the official website. Those Amazon bottles, they're knockoffs with who knows what ingredients, could be junk, could be sketchy, and definitely ain't the same formula, so save your coins and avoid getting played by Amazon fakes. So, what's VertiAid poppin' off about? It's a non-GMO, no jitter chewable capsule that's trying to say it might support your inner ear, which could keep you from feeling like you're on a tilt-a-whirl. They're all about that ear membrane being the key to balance, and VertiAid's loaded with stuff like vitamin D3, zinc, and some fancy plant powders to maybe help with vertigo or dizziness. You pop one daily, chew it for a sec or gulp it with your drink. But does it really vibe with vertigo peeps? Let's check the ingredients. Vitamin D3, 20 micrograms. A 2020 neurology study said it might cut down vertigo episodes, like that BPPV mess. Dope, but not a sure thing. Vitamin B6, 1.7 milligrams. Some old 1988 research says it could chill dizzy spells, but it's shaky for vertigo. Zinc, 5 milligrams. If you're low on zinc, it might help your ear stay steady, per a 2015 study. But 5 milligrams is low-key weak sauce. Marine and eggshell collagen, supposed to keep your ear tissues poppin', but the vertigo proof. Mad thin, fam. Pineapple, papaya, ginseng powders, these got antioxidant flex, but no studies say they stop the spins. Calcium, potassium, basic health stuff, nothing screamin' vertigo fix. Real talk. The ingredients got some clout for ear health, but there's no lab testing VertiAid's whole recipe for vertigo. It's like a TikTok dance, some parts look good, but the full routine? Unproven. If you're allergic to egg or fishy stuff, holler at your doc. Should you try VertiAid? If you are dealing with occasional vertigo, dizziness, or just feeling off balance, it is a safe supplement to test. It is not a miracle cure, but if you are curious and want to see if it helps, the refund policy means you do not risk much. If you have given VertiAid a try, let me know what happened in the comments. Thanks for watching.